Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to discuss in brief about the basic terms of water technology. Coming to the soft water. Water can be classified into two types depending upon its action with the soap. So one being soft water. Soft water means the water which produces lather immediately with soap. So soft water produces lather easily with soap. The chemical formula of soap is C17H35COONA and it can be called as sodium stearate. Whenever soap is mixed with water, then what happens? It undergoes hydrolysis and then it results in the formation of stearic acid along with the formation of NaOH. So this stearic acid is responsible for the formation of lather. So the water which produces lather easily with soap is called soft water. The formula of soap is C17H35COONA. That means sodium stearate. On the other hand, hard water can be defined as the water which does not produce lather easily on mixing with soap. So hard water means which does not produce lather easily with soap. And always the lather preventing property of water is called as hardness. So hardness means the lather preventing property of water with soap is called hardness, and this is mainly due to the presence of magnesium and calcium salts in water. So hardness of water is mainly due to the presence of calcium and magnesium salts. So whenever the hard water is mixed with soap, let us see what happens. So what is the formula of soap? That is C17H35COONA. So whenever hard water is treated with soap, then what happens? Especially the calcium and magnesium salts present in water initially reacts with the soap. Then it results in the formation of dirty white precipitate. So whenever hard water is mixed with soap, initially the calcium, magnesium salts present in water reacts with the soap and then it results in the formation of dirty white precipitate. That's why hard water does not produce lather easily on mixing with soap solution. Here we can also consider the reaction with the magnesium salt. So there is a possibility for the reaction of hard water, especially the magnesium ions present in water with the soap. So initially the magnesium ions react with the soap, then it results in the formation of dirty white precipitate. Here it is calcium stearate and here it is magnesium stearate. So which is also a white dirty precipitate. So whenever all calcium and magnesium salts present in the water reacts with soap, after that only water will react with the soap and results in the formation of lather. That's why whenever hard water is treated with soap, it will not form lather easily. And this hardness can be classified into two types, namely temporary hardness and permanent hardness. Temporary hardness is mainly due to the presence of dissolved bicarbonates. So always remember, the hardness producing salts are present in the dissolved state. So especially the temporary hardness is mainly due to the presence of dissolved bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium. That means calcium bicarbonate, that is CaHCO3 twice, and magnesium bicarbonate, that is MgHCO3 twice. These two salts are mainly responsible for the temporary hardness of the water. Coming to the permanent hardness. This permanent hardness is also called as non-carbonate hardness, whereas temporary hardness is also called as carbonate hardness. Since here the hardness is mainly due to the presence of bicarbonates and hence it can be called as carbonate hardness. Whereas coming to the permanent hardness, the permanent hardness is mainly due to the presence of dissolved chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium. That means especially calcium chloride, calcium sulfate, magnesium chloride and magnesium sulfate are responsible for the permanent hardness of the water. In general, the permanent hardness is due to the presence of chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium salts. Next, moving to the degree of hardness. So, a degree of hardness means especially it is the measure of the amount of hardness producing salts present in definite quantity of water. So, degree of hardness means the amount of hardness producing salts present in a definite quantity of water. In general, the hardness of the water can be measured in terms of calcium carbonate equivalents. So, the degree of hardness is generally measured in terms of calcium carbonate equivalents. So, the choice of calcium carbonate equivalents is, it is mainly due to two important reasons. The two important reasons for choosing calcium carbonate equivalents to express the degree of hardness is the molecular weight of calcium carbonate is 100 and hence it makes calculations easy. And the second reason is calcium carbonate is the most insoluble salt. So, that can be easily precipitated out from the water. So, what are the two important reasons for selecting calcium carbonate equivalents to express degree of hardness? First reason is its molecular weight is 100, which makes calculations easy. And the second reason is calcium carbonate salt is the most insoluble salt and it easily precipitates out from the water. So, coming to the units to express degree of hardness, especially 4 different units can be used to express hardness. One is ppm. ppm means parts per million. So, ppm can be defined as the number of parts of calcium carbonate equivalent hardness present per 10 power 6 parts of water. So, ppm means the number of parts of calcium carbonate equivalent hardness present in 10 power 6 parts of water. Hardness can also be expressed in mg per liter. mg per liter means the number of milligrams of calcium carbonate equivalent hardness present per 1 liter of the water. 1 liter of the water means we can consider it as 1 kg of water. That is 1000 grams of water and that can be expressed as 10 power 6 mg. So again it is the number of parts of calcium carbonate equivalent hardness present per 10 power 6 parts of the water. Third unit is degree French. So degree French means it can be defined as the number of parts of calcium carbonate equivalent hardness present per 10 power 5 parts of water. Coming to the fourth unit, that is degree clock. It is the number of parts of calcium carbonate equivalent hardness present per 70,000 parts of water. That means 1 gallon of water. In general, the hardness is expressed in ppm. So ppm means the number of parts of calcium carbonate equivalent hardness present in 10 power 6 parts of the water. So coming to the relation among the units, always 1 ppm is equal to 1 mg per liter, that is equal to 0.1 degree French, that is equal to 0.07 degree clock. So this is the relation among the units to express hardness. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.